This is a rare opportunity in the town of Lexington.
This land is exceptional and has been in the family for generations. What a great investment opportunity.
This existing mobile home park features 13 mobile homes and is conveniently located in downtown Lexington, Interstate 20, and close to the new ALA charter school.
This property has public water, a paved road, and sewer access available through the town of Lexington. Potential for a residential development, apartments, or leave as a mobile home park.
Lexington blends historic charm with a modern, vibrant lifestyle. The town has experienced steady growth in recent years and now features a dynamic mix of dining and shopping options. They cater to both residents and visitors. Just a 5-minute drive from this property.
Zoned for Lexington Elementary, Lakeside Middle, and River Bluff High School, Lexington 1 School District is known for its strong partnership with families and local communities to create a supportive, innovative, and learning environment.
Don't miss this opportunity for a prime investment.
Give us a call.